Good morning everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to make your own honeypot coin. So a honeypot token is basically a scam contract that allows people to buy but will not allow people to sell. So the developer can just run off with all of the investors' money. So this has been happening a lot in shitcoins recently, and several are already making thousands of dollars off of it. So this is a sample chart of a honeypot. You can see all our green candles, everybody can buy, but nobody can sell. So let's get started. So to set things straight, I will not be directly teaching you how to make a honeypot, but I will be selling you a honeypot smart contract that my friends and I have developed. And this video will serve as proof that it works, and will also serve as a tutorial for those who buy. So I will be blurring out the code, as of course I'm selling the code, and if you're interested, check the description for instructions. So the first thing that you do is open remix.ethereum.org and make sure that there is no HTTPS at the start. And if there's HTTPS, you can just go ahead and remove it and run it again. Then you can press this small button over here. This is create new file. Let's create and then name it bep20.sol. Alright, so it goes over here. Then go ahead and copy the code that I will be sending you. Then paste. It will be on and it's going to be on a Microsoft Word file, and when it's in a Microsoft Word file, it automatically recognizes all of the functions in Remix. So this is going to be quick and easy. Scroll down to lines 78 and 79. This is where the contract creates the token symbol, the token name, and you can see I have put 3 dashes, and you should change that to whatever you want. So maybe let's change this symbol. Let's make it Apple coin. So let's say APL. The name is Apple, right? And you can change this to whatever name you like and to whatever symbol. You can even impersonate other coins, and that's how people make a lot of money. So you can also change the decimals. This is around 1 quadrillion, I think, and it has 9 decimals, and you can change that whatever you like. So scroll down again to line 131. This is where you write the contract name again. So since I named it Apple, let's just change it to Apple again. After that, we can go into the next tab. We're done with the coding, and change this. Make sure to change this to 5.17 because that's the code that we're using, 5.17. And we could go ahead and compile it. And you can see it's going to be compiled. To the next one, you can go to the next step, to the next tab, and then change this to injected web3. And make sure that you have your MetaMask wallet connected on Google Chrome, and you can see I have mine over here. I have mine connected. You can see it's 0xF8, and we have 0fx8 here, so it's connected. And change this contract. Make sure that this contract is the name of your token, right? So let's deploy it. I just have a few amount of BNB here in my MetaMask to cover gas fees. Let's just go ahead and press deploy, confirm, and let's just wait. There we go. Congratulations, your token has now been deployed to PancakeSwap. However, all of the tokens are in your wallet, the wallet that you have connected, so nobody can buy the tokens yet, and you must send the coins back to the contract address. So what you do is click over here on the deployed contracts. There's this copy symbol, and go to BSC scan and then paste it over there. And this is going to be, you can see this is our wallet contract creation, and this is our token, Apple token, Apple coin, right? So you can see there's one address. So this is the contract. Let's just go ahead and copy the address of the token and then declare it in our MetaMask. So go ahead and add token, paste the token address. You can see it recognizes it as APL. Next, and add tokens. So now we have to send tokens back to the contract. So let's just press send and then paste the contract again, and it will detect it as a contract address. And let's say I'll send maybe half of the tokens that I have. So this is 1 100,000, 100 million, 100 billion, 100 trillion. So I think that's quadrillion. So I'm gonna send 500 trillion back. So that's gonna be 5 and 14 zeros. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let's just press next. So this will send tokens back to the contract. Let's just wait for it to happen. And there we go. So if we probably refresh this page, it will notice that there has been a transfer of tokens again. Let's try and refresh. Let's see if it recognizes it. See, it recognizes that it gave us this token amount, and then we sent half of the amount back. So now we can add liquidity, and once we add liquidity, people now can buy tokens. So let's go to PancakeSwap and then go to trade and liquidity. I'll show you. Then let's just press add liquidity. It's usually just BNB, and then paste the contract address again here. And let's wait for it to recognize it's a new contract, so it takes a while. So you can see Apple APL import. I understand an import. There we go. And I'm just gonna put a small amount, 0.01. Let's say 0.01. I'm just gonna add 0.01 BNB, and let's put, maybe, I'm not gonna max it, I'm just gonna maybe delete 2 zeros. So that's what 0.01 BNB, and then 5, whatever number that is, right? So we can just press approve. So this will set the first price, and it will add the liquidity. Let's just wait. Transaction confirmed. Let's just wait for it to allow us to buy, or allow us to supply rather. Then if we just wait on this, it still says approve, and there we go, supply. And let's just press supply. It's gonna ask for gas fees again. Close. And there we go. We now have LP tokens. We now have liquidity tokens. We now have added liquidity to our token. So for just an example, I will show you that I will try to buy the token from a different wallet, and then I will try to sell it. So see, okay, here's the liquidity. We might have been botted, I'm not sure. But I've added 0.01, and let's try to buy it from a different wallet. So let's just copy this address. So you can see now I'm on a different wallet. I'll just paste the token. Apple token import, I understand. Let's just wait for it. Let's set the slippage to around 12, then 001, right? That's probably gonna work. 0.001. Let's confirm swap. And let's wait for it. Once the transaction pushes through, you could see that the BNB here in the liquidity pool has increased, and the tokens here has decreased. Alright, and then let's try selling it. Max, let's try max. Let's approve it first. Let's try to approve. You can see that it has approved. Let's just wait for it. And then now it's approved, and let's try to swap it back. Error. It's a honeypot, it works. It's error, right? And let's try changing the slippage to 20 slippage, swap. Still an error, 20 slippage. Let's try 49 slippage, that's the max. 49 slippage, still an error. And now if I'm happy, I can just go ahead and remove the liquidity here. Let's go ahead and remove the liquidity. It needs quite a bit. And now I have successfully removed the liquidity. So there you have it, your own honeypot token. So if you want the code, just go to the description or just ask about your contact details and I will contact you and we can make a deal. And once you have a copy of the code, you can deploy it how many times you want with different names and different impersonations. And you can even make a website to convince people. It's really a great deal. So thank you for watching, and again, if you want, go to the description.